Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll take a look at the OLIXIS ZBJ-PP10A ice maker, exploring its key features, user manual, and what makes it a great choice. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the OLIXIS ZBJ-PP10A ice maker, a basket, a scoop, plus a user manual and a quick start guide to help you get set up in no time. Product overview. How to use. Remove the ice basket, fill the tank with potable water below the max mark, replace the basket, and close the cover. Plug in the unit and press on/off to start small ice production. Press Select to switch to large ice. The selected mode is remembered after power off. For self-cleaning, hold on/off for 5 seconds in standby. The cycle runs for 15 minutes and then returns to standby. Smart features? Quickly makes bullet-shaped ice cubes, providing a steady supply for drinks. Its compact design makes it convenient for everyday home use. Choose between small and large ice cubes to match different drinks and cooling needs. The selected ice size is automatically remembered after power off. Automatically cleans the internal water system with a simple button press. The 15-minute cleaning cycle helps maintain hygienic operation and keeps the ice maker ready for use. Clearly displays the machine's operating status and alerts you when water needs to be added or the ice basket is full. This makes daily operation simple and convenient. Remembers the last selected small or large ice-making mode. When the machine is powered on again, it automatically resumes the previously selected mode. Specifications. FAQs. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your OLIXIS ZBJ-PP10A ice maker. See you in the next one.